The new Honda Amaze has been launched at a starting price of Rs 5.6 lakhs for the petrol and Rs 6.7 lakhs for the diesel. Now the prices are introductory and will be offered only to the first 20,000 customers. And if you wish to find out the on-road prices of the Amaze in your city, hit this link right there. Now the Amaze is available in 4 variants along with an automatic transmission in both petrol and diesel. But which variant should you put your money on? Time to find out in this video. I'm Ajit Menon and you're watching CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. So let's get down to the first variant, which is the E. While the base variant of the Honda Amaze does get the safety essentials right, the rest of the package does feel insufficient. So you don't get a music system or speakers, the wing mirrors and door handles are not body colored, and there's no wheel cover either. The only reason to go for this variant is if you want to head out to the aftermarket and accessorize it yourself. But our recommendation is you skip this variant completely and go for the next variant, because that one offers a whole lot of essential equipment that you cannot get from the aftermarket either. S variant adds a number of features that adds to your driving and ownership experience. On the outside, it looks contemporary, and on the inside it feels a lot more premium thanks to the piano black and silver touches around the dashboard, AC vents and door trims. It gets useful features such as height adjustable driver's seat, tilt steering and an audio system, and for Rs 90,000 extra it feels well worth the money, because a lot of these features cannot be bought from the aftermarket. If you want the convenience of an automatic, that would be Rs 90,000 more for the petrol and Rs 80,000 more for the diesel. The S is the variant of our choice, and if not for the absence of a rear defogger, this variant has all the features that you would want. Now the V variant should be considered only if you want to indulge yourself. It gets 15-inch alloys, keyless entry and go, a bigger and more detailed multi-information display, paddle shifters for the petrol automatic and an automatic AC. Now these features aren't absolute must-haves, but they do enrich the experience and make the Amaze feel a bit more premium. If you're getting an automatic, go for the Amaze B variant, but mind you, it still does not get the touchscreen infotainment system or the rear parking camera. The tuned-in audio system that's offered in this variant does feel a bit basic and takes away from the premium experience. If you're going for the manual, then we would say skip this variant and go for the next one, which is the VX. Because for about Rs 50,000 more, you will get that fancy touchscreen infotainment system, rear camera with guidelines and cruise control. Honda has also updated the infotainment system software, so it's a lot more smoother to use. Not to mention, it now also gets Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Overall, the Rs 50,000 premium is again for the things you want, but they do really add a lot to everyday functionality. Besides, they won't really hit your EMI too much. But you know what, Honda could have offered projector headlamps, even though they may not be like LED units as in their desire, especially when more affordable rivals like the Tigor offer projector headlamps. Anyway, we'll leave that to you and let us know in comments what you think about this. Do you think this was a big miss from Honda's end? We wind up this video with a look at the overall pricing and technical specifications. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the latest updates from CarDekho. Thank you so much for watching.